Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. In this video I am going to show you some beautiful handmade crochet cushion designs. These cushion designs are not just for comfort, they also make your home look cozy and stylish. The best thing about crochet cushions is that every design is different. Some are simple and soft while others are bright and colorful. No matter what style you like, there's always a crochet design that fits your home. Crochet cushion can easily change the look of a room. If your sofa or bed looks plain, just adding a few handmade cushions can make the space look warm and inviting. You can also play with colors, soft pastel shade, look calm and relaxing, while bright colors bring energy and the life of the room. When dark and light colors are mixed, the designs look even more attractive. The pattern also very special from flowers and shapes to modern designs. Crochet cushions come into endless styles because they are handmade, each one feels unique and personal. Another good thing is that crochet cushions are long lasting. With a little care, you can use them for many years and they will still look beautiful. Handmade work always has that special touch which machine made product can't give. So, whatever you want to decorate your living room, bedroom, or even gift something special to someone, crochet cushions are a great choice. For more crochet ideas and designs, don't forget to subscribe to Trendy Pattern Design channel. Also press the bell icon button so you get update whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next time and video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.